Welcome to this beautiful listing in Bokeelia, Florida. This boater's paradise is located on direct access, and it is full of all the luxury options anyone would want when they're choosing their piece of paradise. Join me on this tour. The first floor of this property boasts a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, very popular Airbnb apartment. This apartment comes turnkey with all of the furnishings. It includes a washer and dryer, which guests love, and a large king-size bed. The back Lanai opens up into the beautiful saltwater pool that is also heated in the winter. The Lanai has a no-seam Lanai feature, keeping the bugs out. Upstairs, you will see a beautiful open floor plan. Tile throughout from corner to corner, granite countertops, beautiful cabinets with additional storage space. The laundry room to the left and one of the bedrooms, second bedroom, bathroom, and every single room opens to a beautiful porch. Cedar planks above keep the bugs out. Master bedroom with ensuite, master bath, French drain in the shower with a tub that is versatile. It can be moved anywhere and it drains into the bottom of the shower. As you can see, once again, the master bedroom opens into the Lanai, this beautiful outdoor living space. The expansive canal that leads to the Gulf in less than 15 minutes, and there's an elevator. The elevator arrives next to a 5-car garage with a beautifully finished floor. Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of this beautiful home in Bokeelia. If you have any additional questions or you'd like to set up a private showing, the information is located below. Have a wonderful day.